Hey, here we are again. We're going to do this a little different. Walk with me. Remember the other day I got the other welder back and running and rolling and rocking and rolling on the service truck. She's all ready to go. And that heavy panting isn't women, it's my dogs. Although never mind, I'm not going to talk about that. So yeah, it looks like it shifted around a little bit on them. Anyways, that's working just fine. And so I decided, whoops, sorry about that, because that's me, to fix this one. So what that entails is I'll show you. The heads are off it. Because lo and behold, someone somewhere down the line, I don't know why they were even in it. Don't ask. Under the valve covers, there's no adjustment. I'm doing that because I just don't know. So anyways, I will take you in. So it's been pissing oil for a long time out of that head, both heads. And wait, I can get all three of them in the picture. That's Mo, Larry, and Curly, the three amigos. Them there are my dogs. That's Emma, Miss Ziva. She's a Labradoodle. She's a little poodle. And he's a medium poodle. That's Leroy. Anyways, back to the subject at hand. They're my helpers. They're always excited because we went for a ride. Anyways, to get a little bit particular here. So they were leaking. I don't know why anybody would be in it, but that doesn't matter at this point. These are the valve cover bolts. You see on this one, there's two of them that are good. This one is just chowdered. Somebody tried drilling it out without taking the guards off that miller. This one is still steel in it. I blasted them with some glass bead in the shop. Then when I took it apart, I broke this bolt and that bolt and that bolt. So I got to get them out. And this one has same thing. Two good ones, two bad ones. So I was going to take these heads, and I was going to weld up they're aluminum. So I was just going to use the Heliart TIG welder and TIG weld them up. But then I changed my mind. Well, Troy did. Troy has a way of doing that with people. Well, I think he just informed me what I had that I forgot that I bought. So I'm going to show you. So bear with me. I got a drawer over here. A drawer! You guys ever see, if you ever want these things, I'll show you. Gardserts. They're like a, what do I want to say? They're what are those things called? Helicoils, I want to say, the ones that you put in and you pound down. Well, these are totally different. These were invented somewhere around here up north somewhere. And I've got a whole bag of these. I need number 6 by 1.0. And you need I forget what drill bit it is. So if I got the room, and these do not come out. We've used these in the past for hydraulics, pneumatics, everything. They're like a sintered, I don't know what they are, but they are the cat's ass. So if I got enough meat here, well, that one's good, that one's good. If I got enough meat here and here, I'm going to drill that out with it looks like I'll be really, really close. I think it's an letter S drill. And then you take the bolt and they give you the specs in that chart. And this is aluminum. And then I'll put these two in here and here, and then two of them over here and here. Then I'll be able to get them out of there. because they're exposed on both sides. And these bolts are super soft. However they drilled them crooked, you're not a mechanic. I don't know what you are, but actually, look at this. Where is it? I'll show you guys. The guy who drilled it and tapped it on the engine. Ha! You gotta see this. You gotta see this. See that? See the threads right there in the head, in the drill? He drilled it and tapped it crooked, but that goes into the oil when the head sits on the motor like so. The oil splashes up there in the rockers, and it returns through these galleys back to the crankcase through the head gasket right here and here. Well, it was coming out right there. Where is it? The other side. It was coming out. Good thing it was on the intake side. You'd have had the thing on fire. Anyways, that's what I'm up to. I'm going to restore that other welder. Because right now that thing is listing at, holy cow, to replace that one I got on the truck is almost 18 or 19,000. Thousand, I say. Anyways, here, look. Wait, I can see what I'm doing. Guard Specialists. They're a really neat product. Tell them Mike Berg sent you. They're in Wisconsin. And they got these kits, and you can use them in everything. I was talking to the salesman, actually. They sell them to even their aircraft approved. They're FAA approved. Doesn't mean much when they fall into the Potomac, but whatever. That's not my deal. That's somebody else that wasn't working. So that's what I'm up to. Just wanted to show you that. And my puppies. They got their haircuts today. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They keep the shop going. Yep, they do. Anyways, enough of that video. We'll catch you guys on. I'll bring you up to date when I get more done. It's gonna, we're gonna have some weather this weekend, so I'll probably be working all weekend, plowing with the Perkins, with the Volvo, not a Volva, Volvo, Michigan, whatever you call it. So, anyways, keep your stick on the ice, boys and girls. Talk to you soon. See you. Bye.